Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. Do you often have dreams? Yes, I often have dreams. Dreams are a normal part of the human experience, and they aid in the processing of our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Dreams can provide us with insight into our lives and allow us to explore our unconscious thoughts and feelings. Question number 2. What do you usually dream about? I usually dream about situations in my life, such as my relationships, my job, or my objectives. I also have more abstract and symbolic dreams, such as those involving animals or strange landscapes. Question number 3. Do you usually remember your dreams? Yes, I do remember my dreams. I frequently take a few moments after waking up to jot down my dreams in a diary so that I can recall them later. Question number 4. What was the dream job for you when you were young? My childhood ambition was to become a veterinarian. Animals have always captivated me, and I would spend hours caring for and learning about them. I like the idea of being able to help animals and use my knowledge to improve their lives. Question number 5. Have you changed your mind about your dream job? Yes, I have reconsidered my dream job. As I grew older, I realized I had other interests, such as writing and teaching. Since then, I've pursued these interests and turned them into a career. Question number 6. Do you think that dreams can come true? Yes, I believe that wishes can come true. Anything is possible, in my opinion, if you have a strong desire and are willing to work hard. Dreams can be interpreted as a sign of hope and a reminder that if you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. Question number 7. Have you had a bad dream before? Yes, I have had bad dreams in the past. Bad dreams can be frightening and unsettling, but they can also be a sign that something in our lives needs to be addressed. It's critical to think about your dreams and figure out what needs to be addressed or changed in order to move forward. Question number 8. What was the strangest dream you have had? My strangest dream was one in which I was a giant walking through a city and peering into people's lives. It was a strange experience that I couldn't explain at the time. But looking back, I believe it was a reflection of how small I felt at the time and how I wished to have a greater impact on the world. Question number 9. Do you think we can learn something from dreams? Yes, I believe dreams can teach us something. Dreams frequently provide us with insight into our lives and can assist us in uncovering our deepest thoughts and feelings. They can also provide us with creative solutions and serve as a warning sign that something in our lives needs to be addressed. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.